I mean, they're very comfortable, but after 6 months of use, they're super comfortable. They take a beating, but I don't know if I use them a lot or I gave them too much of a beating. But the sole seems to start getting holes, which is what happened to me with my last pair. And now this pair is starting to show the same holes in the same places. And if I gave you an update in about 15 days, I'm pretty sure the holes would be much bigger.
Oh, tan bonito. Están bien bonitos. This boot is very comfortable. I think it's great for the price of what it is. I love this zipper. I wish the sole, the inside, the insert was a little bit more, I don't know, flat-footed friendly, I suppose. But yeah, love this boot. It's great.